Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to send a gift message to someone on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you want to find the person you want to send a gift message to. So let's head over to the messages and find the person we're going to send a gift message to. So here we go. And now, first thing you want to do, of course, is type in your message. I'm just going to type in hello as an example. After you've typed in your message, you're just going to click the search icon next to the message, just right here. And once you've clicked on it, you're going to be given a bunch of options, and the one that we're going to pick is the gift. And it'll automatically send once you click on it. And once it's sent, you can click on it to reveal the message, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.